Just heard that. Damn it. Nice. No, I missed you. I missed you. Hit off the wall. There, man. There, man. There, man. Just heard that. There, man. Heard the thump, thump. I'm just going to do that whole fucking game. One on the left. Oh, nice finger. Ah, nice. Get that. Oh,
No, that's a 50-50.
Mate, I'm not hitting this. Yeah. You get a free one. Which way? Oh, nice. Yeah, get that. That was my hair. There's one at the right. Yeah, on the left-hand side in the right corner. Oh, walk into it. There, man. That could be slippy. Yep. It's to the 100. Oh, sorry. Oh. Hey man. Oh, go that way. Got a friendly that. We're all friendly fire. Team. Some at the door. Right? Oh, yep. Hey man. Hey man, I'm coming through. Hey man. Yeah, something going this way. Go left.
Let me come through! Let me come through!
Hey man. Ooh, right in the finger again. Oh no, that's fine. Hey man. Hey man. Oh, nice. Yeah, man. Warms you up.
That's what a lot.
You see why you need face protection in there. It's, yeah, it can be quite close. You still got that.
Yep. Because every single time I go use them, they'll fire it. Oh, they might not.
Some of you will need to play it. We're going to play Search and Destroy, right? Here's what we're going here. Which the attacking team has got to get to the green barrels, which is situated up in the roof area. Green team, you have 1 life each. When you get it in, get it on the barrel, same as normal, on it in. And then if it wants to work, it works. If it doesn't, it shout bang.
Right there. Pretty accurate. Look photogenic.
Just look natural.
Look at your watch. Staring off into the distance.
I keep that all these fucking lights, man. The light just keeps spreading every time you take a picture.
Oh, police station. That's a bit of a local station. We shall all go police.
What emote is that?
That's too campy. That's too campy.
Driven round in the left.
Again, I was coming.
There you go, coming down.
Who's that film?
See, if you play that,
Who's that film wanted? And he fucking...
Which, by the way, is a lot of bullshit. Unless you're finding a plan.
Would you like the old camera, Simon, eh?
No comment, no comment. He's got the ball. Where's the ball? Yeah, the ball. Whoa! I think we both missed each other. I'll go out.
Let's do a quick flip round.
I'd come no further than caravan.
Yeah, I leave caravan.
At the ball, because remember once you die, you leave.
No grenades! Yay!
No pain, no glory.
Yeah.
What did you say, Simon?
Ian's just there, or he was.
Nah, don't.
Yeah. There. I was conversing and not looking.
I'll see you soon, Scooter.
Right, catch you later.
Sounded tiring.
I was like, I'll do man, they wouldn't expect me to I fucking slaughtered them all.
He done a number for a wee bit there, didn't you?
Eh?
I seen you took out a few of them.
Aye.
After it.
They weren't expecting it. Could clustered in groups. Yeah.
So if you don't miss your target, you hit it. Where's the ball? Oh, there's the ball.
You need to get in there and get the bomb set off.
It's good to be friendly fire.
At the back of the ball.
Friendly
Right.
fire.
See, the worst thing is he's just walked away from the barrels.
Good defence and a good offence. He's all looking for again. What are you looking for?
Aaron. Aaron.
Huh? Oh my god, man.
Oh. Now I see it.
He's not over yet, guys. Yeah, I don't even think I did defend this fucking. There you go. He's not there. Oh, he's not on it. No, one barrel. The green barrel. The green barrel.
That should be the ball wasted.
Did he get their life for that? The green barrels,
Green barrel. These have just blew up your
There's
ball.
green barrels in the kill house somewhere. Find them, put the bomb on it. You've walked past them about 4 times, mate. There's green barrels in there. Hey! There we go! Hey!
Same colour as your bands.
Da 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 da!
What you lost? Grenade.
Man came in here right at the end of the match.
Is that Beebs?
There's Jason's bag. That's what Jason was looking for. It's no fucking. Yeah. Hey, I found Jason's bag, thank you.
It's silver lining.
Looking for something. Little fucking tub.
Yours is red and blue, isn't it?
Aye.
We'll
Red
find
tap
it.
blue at the bottom.
We'll find
As
it.
you can go it the opposite way round, I take it.
Aye, his is the other way.
Aye.
We'll find if we see
Well,
it.
maybe fin it and I'll maybe keep it.
That's payment for the colour.